Another scrapping adventure, and we don't have a lot of items, but a little bit of aluminum and whatnot. So I'm gonna just predict $14.
And I'm gonna predict $12.
And we'll see you in a minute. Oh. Don't even need that thing. Ooh, we're close. 17.
Oh, nice.
Why does it say 30 motor? Oh, okay. It must have been 30 pounds for the cheap scrap because it's like 10 cents. Okay. Oh, that's funny, the aluminum can. We only had about, for the aluminum cans, we only had what, 10 or 12, and we got 35 cents. Oh, so that's like 3 cents a can.
Yeah.
Or 4 cents a can. Oh, that little motor in the fan was cheap, but we did good with our various metals. I won again. It was 17. And Gianna lost.
But I usually win.
Because I guessed 14 and Gianna guessed 12. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, just for some household items pretty much. And some aluminum. See you next time for another scrapping for big bucks adventure.